Clayton is up. Clayton from Emerge Academy. He was also on American Ninja Warrior this year. That's all I can say. I can't say anything else. I mean, I could, but there's a lot of lawyers on NBC. I bet they have a lot of lawyers. Slight miss there. In full attire. The Emerge team came out strong, I'll admit that. With all their Christmas apparel. Well done. Hats off. Hats off. I love that. Spencer said that that's all we came for. Hey, whatever it takes. Big kick there. Well done, Clayton. You know what I mean? I should eat sooner than later is what I'm trying to say. Baron, you want anything? Can I get you anything from Wendy's? My parents just picked me up. So. Oh, shoot, okay. I owe you. I appreciate you helping. Clayton is over on the salmon ladder. I was just telling Baron's over here helping me out on the live stream. I was telling him thanks. He's a good kid. He's helping run the computer as I try to run my mouth. And IT guys are not usually known for being on a mic. So that's why you're stuck with me. Come on, Clayton. Come on, keep fighting. Keep gritting. Get the dismount. Big pull. Thumbs up from Levi. Well done. Minute 45 left. Clayton's on the back half of the gauntlet. It's a gauntlet, Emily. Emily, what was your favorite obstacle on the course? Like if you could do one again. The Lachey's. That's fair. Yeah. She likes the Christmas trees and stars obstacle. I can't wait to try it. Oh. Oh, no. Come on, Clayton. 2 left, buddy. I've partially seen my course, Emily. I've partially seen it. I haven't finished the back half yet, but yeah, you know. I'll watch the walkthrough one of these days. Bigger, Clayton. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Big kicks. Spencer's over there saying, we need more power. Here it comes. Ugh. I love that he went for the up for grabs move. Catch it midair. Slam it down on the bar. 15 seconds to go. Yeah, force it. 10. Force. Oh. He's good. He's good. Well done, Clayton. He's got a handful of comps under his belt now. In second place, we have from Emerge Academy, Clayton Reeves. Let's go, Clayton. And in first place, Jordan Skinner. It's all based on time on obstacles. And get the tough ones, not the easy ones. Well done. Okay. Great job, man. Great job.